Hello and welcome back, folks. Today's recipe is a Malaysian chicken curry and is a fusion of Malay and Chinese influences, otherwise known as Nyonya cuisine. Now let's get started. Let's begin by making the spice paste. Soak the dried chillies in water for 30 minutes. Put the chillies with the rest of the herbs and spices, which are ginger, galangal, coriander powder, cinnamon powder, turmeric, fish paste, macadamia nuts and fennel seeds into a pestle. Don't worry if you didn't get all that, the full list of ingredients is in the description. Also add in 2 chopped shallots, 1 garlic, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of oil. Bash it all together into a fine paste. Heat up 2 tablespoons of oil and gently fry the paste for 5 minutes. Add in the star anise and chicken pieces and cook until the chicken is no longer pink. If you want the sauce to be more of a red colour but you don't want it getting too spicy, you can optionally add 1 tablespoon of paprika. That's a trick I learned courtesy of my mum. Add in 250 ml of water and 100 ml of coconut cream and cook for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, stir in the grated palm sugar and curry leaves. Give it a taste though before adding any more salt. You may find that you don't need it. After about 40 minutes of total cooking time, the curry is ready. Serve it with some freshly cooked jasmine rice and Malaysian pickled vegetables. Check out my video on how to make that. Thanks for watching. And see you next time.